Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Box with AI to automate content classification workflows. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Box account. Navigate to the admin console. In the console, select the Apps section. Click on App Marketplace. Search for the AI content classification app suitable for your needs. Once found, click on the app for more details. Select the Install option to add the app to your Box account. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After installation, return to your Box dashboard. Locate the newly installed AI app in your applications list. Click on the AI app to begin configuration. In the app configuration settings, input any required API keys. Specify the data classifications you want the AI to recognize. Set up any rules for content categorization based on your workflow. Determine the frequency of checks for newly uploaded content. Save your settings to apply the changes. Now, proceed to upload a sample file to Box for testing. Monitor the app as it processes the uploaded file. Check the classification results provided by the AI. Adjust settings as needed based on the initial results. Once satisfied, implement the AI app across your full content library. Conduct regular audits to fine-tune content classifications over time. Document any changes made to settings for future reference. Train your team on how to utilize the automated workflows effectively. Review and update your workflows periodically to ensure optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.